code about the growing and the industry of cannabis in Greece. So the last fact of what is happening and what the Ministry of Agriculture in Greece is saying, they gave an answer after a question a politician made, and they said what they are going to be ready for the new cultivation period. They mean next spring. Anyway, this is not going to happen. Nobody is ready here in Greece. The people, scientists must educate themselves. Growers must be educated. New organizations must be made from the Greek government. Technological support don't exist. I asked from the researcher of the National Agricultural Institute to come here. Greece is not following the facts about cannabis industry globally. This is what is happening, and I feel same because I'm not an expert, and I have many things to say, and I will not say the most now, and that I had to say. Anyway, next time, maybe. So, people must educate. I suggest that I need in my land in Corfu, because there is no land to grow cannabis. I need a research institute that can be staffing with scientific staffing. We have a history with research institute in Corfu Island, because we used to have the first research institute in Greece about olive tree. There is a history also in Corfu Island about education and culture that gave in not only in Greece and in Europe. So I need I need this happen in Corfu. It can be also a head office in the university in research. Also, my dream is to make a cannabis museum. There is in Greece. There is plenty of there are plenty of things and research that we can do in Greece, all over Greece, about cannabis. It can be something very good. Also, maybe I will forget something. Also, I can say what is the time for investments in Greece and for industrial cannabis. It's a good time for investments, but the government, the bureaucracy is still hard. I am not here I'm not a pessimist. There is a big hope in cannabis, and things are changing very fast in Greece. People who must have an eye in this industry in cannabis. Everybody who wants to invest. So we need also to reproduce our seeds. We used to have, like Mr. Desilas said, like I said before in his research, one of the best qualities of hemp in all over the world. Unfortunately, this strain don't exist. Maybe we will produce, with the help of Dr. Byzantinopoulos, a new one. We have to do it. We have to educate the scientists, we have to educate the growers, and I can say what I want something more. I don't want only the law of European Union that is talking for 300 square meters of land to grow, is needed to grow. This is for big growers. I would never make it to grow 30 acres of cannabis, of hemp, just to build my house. I would never be able to grow 10 acres of hemp to make my biomass, to make my fuel. I would never be able to grow 2, 3, 4, 5 acres of hemp to make my food. I don't want this happen in Greece. I agree with the government to grow the first 50,000 acres in Greece, just to make biomass, paper, plastic, and textile. But I need the small growers can grow hemp. I can think the small growers in Kentucky, United States, who are talking, small agricultural organizations that are talking that they are going to pay an amount to take the lessons, to pay an amount of $30, just a small amount to grow their small cultivation. I want this happened in Greece. I want small business, family businesses grow in Greece that can have their paper, their fuel, their food, their clothes made of cannabis. I want they can also sell a product made of cannabis. I want these atoms, these growers all over Greece. I don't mean about many growers together. It can be personal. This is my first thoughts, very, very fast. I want to thank again the people who support the change of the Greek law. And also I would like to read you what is this new law. I would read it as fast as I can. So the new law historically changed in Greece about hemp cultivation is in the Act of Addictive Substances and Other Provisions. The term drug within the meaning of this law means substances with different chemical structure and different effect on the central nervous system and the common features of the change in status of the user emotive and causing dependency of different nature, mental or physical, and the varied degree, and the relief of chronic patients from symptoms, specific disease for whom they are deemed medically necessary. So this is for industrial cannabis number 3, article paragraph number 3, article 1, paragraph number 3, Act number 4139. In these substances do not appear rough harvested products resulting from the cultivation of industrial cannabis varieties of cannabis sativa L type low tetrahydrocannabinol THC, namely to 0.2% according to the applicable provisions of the legislation of the European Union. By joint decision of the Minister of Rural Development and Food Justice, Transparent and Human Rights, stipulates the terms and conditions of cultivation of hemp varieties of the species Cannabis sativa L, sex compliance with the terms and conditions, and any related matter. I'm sorry about my bad English. I do the best I can. I do my best. Somebody else should be in my position. Anyway, this is the truth. I am just a businessman. These are hopes for the future, so I would like to also to speak about the legislation of medical cannabis in Greece. The new act of addictive, also in the same law, 4139, changed in Greece and is for personal growth, you get up to 5 months in prison. It's still a crime. It is still a crime. If you sell for the trafficking, maybe you get over 8 years in prison. I just say this in facts. I have to say thanks to Mr. Georgis Ikonomopoulos. He's a leader in the legalization movement. He's a psychiatrist and writer since he's connected, involved since year 1970. He's also now support